Zach, put him up. Put him up. What do you think, gentlemen?
All right, let's talk.
Okay. Hey, that was Now, way to go, Steph. Go, Tony. Blow off on one last night. Great sponsor.
The Russian pipeline stirred up. Hooked up with the source out of Jabalia. Run them through Dunlo.
How do these break down to ship?
If they don't, come assemble.
That's not our business.
I know.
Where you going with this, Cam?
Through IRA's picking up momentum. North Country's getting hot and need to step up the cash flow. Keep the anger focused.
You want the Suns to run them?
Northern Cali, Oregon, Washington.
I don't know if you heard, but we got out of the Aaron business some time back. We buy wholesale, we assemble, we sell retail. End of story.
Yeah. Come on, Clay. We both know you still got an ATF target on your back. You really think it's safe filling this new space with illegal gun parts?
What's your deal?
We sell, ship, store. You load your saddlebags, deliver. Charter to charter. Give you 20%.
We get 60%, we assemble our own.
We carry all the risk and overhead.
My son will be a point guy in Cali. This is a win-win, Clay. We'll let you talk it through.
It's bullshit. You still get access to the Russian surplus. I just try to stonewall us so we'll play along and make pricks.
He's right about the feds. Doesn't matter what dummy corp we use, or how far off the grid we are. If ATF puts a tail on any one of us, we're gonna lead them right back here.
What do you think, VP?
Look at the Irish. You get us the Russian guns we need to keep our Oakland business intact. We use your facility to store and assemble. Then we'll run your hardware up the coast. But MC Pony Express is gonna cost you 30%.
25.
28. And the Russian stock.
Okay.
It's a temporary fix, boys. Keeps us in the gun business till the heat wears off. And we're running out of road here. Call a vote, Prez.
All in favor.